This video is in partnership with Steady, Enjoy DIY Life, and SnapFit Collectibles. Fuel your passion at SnapFit Collectibles. You can follow them on their social media platforms and e-commerce stores to see their latest releases for our hobby needs. What's up, fellow builders? Today, I am super excited to unbox one of the latest bootleg released by YIN GONG. The 1 is to 144 high grade EXIA Dark Matter. This is a bootleg copy of Bandai's Gundam EXIA Dark Matter controlled by Meijin Kawaguchi in the Gundam Build Fighters franchise. Let's go! Verdict time! Let's talk about the plastic quality. Personally, I think it's decent for now. For the colors, I have to admit, I find it a bit dull, which is a bit disappointing for me. The intricate designs and fine lines really add to the overall aesthetic of the product. Join me on my next video as we review this kit in details. Once again, my name is gundamdek, and thank you for watching.